Hi sewing friends, it's Alice Murray of Murr-Made Designs, and you are joining me on day 82 of 365 days of sewing makes. How is she doing it, they wonder? Well, I'm sewing a lot. That's how I'm doing it. I'm doing a lot of sewing on the weekends and some in the evenings, and yeah, making these videos on the weekends, some in the evenings. Yeah, just being busy with it. But you know what? I'm home, so it's working. So today, what I want to show you, I'm kind of excited about this. I get so excited. I make something and I can't wait to show you. So what I'm going to show you today is a Butterick 6386 lisette pattern, and it's a pattern for a like a little zip jacket and a pair of like sports pants. I'll show you the line drawings. You can there's like elastic and a tie and pockets in the pants, and you can make it in you know, color blocking. It would I think the styling on the pattern here is you know, kind of heavier, kind of polyester, nylon-y, kind of more outdoor kind of fabric. But I made it out of something a little bit lighter. I'll give you a twirl, then we'll talk. Very cute. It has a kind of a, I don't know, is that called a bum hem? I don't know. It's kind of a lower hem in the back. Has a hood. It's actually the first pattern with a hood that I've made that didn't have a hood lining. So it was pretty easy peasy hood making. What I'm most excited about this this make is I made it out of this beautiful kind of cornflower blue with white print on it, and it's kind of a kind of a heavy t-shirt material, I guess is what I'd call it. But it's not too jackety, like it's not too thick. And I got it from a company, an online company called Material Girl, mostly because I love their name. I thought I should check them out, and yeah, they have nice things. And so I put in a zipper, but the zipper I had on hand was this kind of royal blue zipper, and I think it called for a 24-inch zipper, and I only had a 22-inch separating zipper. So I shortened the pattern by a couple of inches, which is handy because I'm short. So that worked fine. And then I had this blue and white ribbon, and I put it along the front yokes, and I put it down the side and around. These are pockets. They're kind of strange pockets. Kind of, I don't know. I don't know how comfortable they would be to walk around with your hands in them, but because they're kind of high. But they're cute. It's cute how the trim goes around them, and you could definitely carry your keys in them or something. I'll give you another twirl. Yeah, so I kind of love this, and I love showing it to you, and I was so excited when I was done making it so that I could show it to you. I always the first person I show anything I make to is my husband, and he's always honest brutally honest with me about, oh, that looks good, or that doesn't look so good. So he's always very honest with me. So, and then I'm very excited to show you. So, yes, I would say Butterick 6382 and Material Girl combination is a winner. I love it. And my grateful thread today is I am very grateful for my super duper low-tech studio, if you would call it that. I found an area in my house that's far enough for me to get back and give you a twirl. I have a tripod with my phone on it and a light, and I do all of this with my phone. And yeah, the quality isn't great. The editing is non-existent, but it allows me on a very low-tech, low finance sort of business to be able to share what I do with you. So I think that's fun. So I hope you like my little jacket, and I hope that these videos inspire you a little bit to sew. And I've been hearing from lots of you that you are sewing. And that makes me happy, because sewing is so much fun. Till next time.